My name's Hayden. I'm one of the principal consultants at Prescribe Australia. Prescribe works with companies across Australia to understand their unique needs when it comes to manual handling. Prescribe has had an ongoing relationship with UGL Unipart to identify, assess and control their manual task lists. As part of this relationship, the team at XPT raised a priority task for the XPT coupler. Our role was to do the initial assessment of the task and then assist from a subject matter expert point of view with the design and final implementation of the solution.
My name's Chris Poole. I'm the Operations Manager for Heavy Maintenance at UGL Unipart. So in this instance we have a long-standing job that's been with us for quite some time that involves two people standing beneath a train and lifting a 38 kilo component into a pocket position, which is quite awkward above head height, and the solution was to introduce something that would eliminate all those risks. The current solution that we have in place that's working really well and everyone accepts is basically a car jack mounted on a trolley that slides along the rails under the train, and then we lift and lower the plate using that trolley, so there's no manual handling anymore. It self-aligns, and basically we simply align components and then place a nut on the rear and then tighten it all up. There's a case of just lots of consultations, discussions, use of Prescribe, and then coming up with some prototypes, sharing that with the team, and then the team accepting that was a good way to go. Well, I think the result since it's been rolled out, it's used every time we do the couple of follow install. Everyone's happy with it, and the guys, they're proud of what they've achieved,